Hey, what's up guys? So we're going to be taking a look at this super high quality coffee tamper. So as you can see by the top, it is by MHW-3BOMBER, which if you know anything about this brand, they definitely have a great selection of coffee products and just coffee tools in general. This brand is definitely known for their excellence, and this tamper here definitely represents that. Now this tamper is from their U series, which means you're definitely getting into the top tier series, which might actually come with a hefty price tag as well. And so essentially, what are you getting and what's the main difference between this tamper and any other tamper on the market? So first of all, you are going to get a quad spring design, which if you know anything about tampers, there's tampers with no springs, some have a single spring, there's some with double, triple, but so far this is the only tamper I've seen that has a quad spring design. And so essentially what you're paying is for the engineering that went into a piece like this. It's about the attention to detail and the precision that a tool like this gives you. So we do have this rubberized top, which is going to give you a very comfortable compression. And so overall, if you value excellence, this MHW3 Bomber tamper is definitely the one to pick.